Hi, I'm Reshma Vaishnavi.
Hi, I'm Hiranmaya Udaygiri.
I'm Sushmita.
We are from CMR PU ITPL Commerce Stream.
Basically, I've worked hard so much, like literally. A month before the exams, I've prepared my schedule, everything. So obviously, it's not because that I've got 97% that I'm happy. It's because that my hard work has paid off. And also with my parents' support, all this was not.
Yeah, okay. Actually, I used to wake up at 4 o'clock and study for my exams before maybe 1.5 months prior to the exams. I feel, night I used to sleep early and wake up early in the morning. I feel, the memory is more active in the morning. So I used to wake up at 4 o'clock and study. And I feel maybe it's God's grace also, and my parents' effort and my parents' help and my friends, teachers, and the whole academic staff who have contributed to this. And yeah, I feel hard work with luck pays off.
Yeah. As we both said, it's the same as well. So, yeah, hard work, effort have brought me this result. So, it's obviously teachers' efforts, encouragement, support, motivation. So, yeah.
Okay. Actually, we used to have this teacher, Grace ma'am. She was our accountancy teacher. So, and she was a class teacher too. So, every morning when we used to go, there used to be like this routine of the prayer and prayer. Yeah. And you tell out your affirmations, grounding process. So that's called the grounding process. So every day in the morning, she used to give like a thought of the day. So that used to make our day kind of, better to start off with. And then that was kind of like a motivation for us. And we had a couple of good teachers like, Lekha ma'am, Grace ma'am, Anjali ma'am, and to mention a few. So yeah, they all, more than teachers, they were also like our, a good company whom we could talk to freely. So that added up also. So we could ask doubts also, clarify them. And yeah, our friends and the academic staff, parents, yeah, me also.
So basically, as she told the teachers, so there was one teacher, Lalita ma'am. So she not only helped me not only me, like everyone, she helped everyone not only in studies, but also she told us how to prepare for everything. And maybe it's because of her only that every student in first PUC, in economics, everybody scored well. So yeah, she gave me a lot of support. I got this opportunity actually to become the music club president. So before this and all, I had no confidence. So because after becoming the music club president and also performing culturally, we had many competitions here, singing competitions. So I used to take part in that. And after that, I got confidence to talk in front of the camera or talk in front of everyone. Or else, yeah, because of that, I got confidence, which would help me in future.
Yeah, I was the class representative for both my first PU and second PU. So that helped me gain confidence, maybe speaking skills and stuff. And yeah, it was a good opportunity. And I used to participate in the extracurricular activities also, like dance and singing. I was also in the dance club. Yeah, that helped shape out my excellence maybe.
So, same as Reshma, even I was the class representative of 2 years too. And basically, I'm an introvert, but this college and teachers made me to open up. So that's the reason I'm little confident enough to speak in front of people public.
So basically, I would high-five my best friend Hasini. So she has supported me overall in my whole journey in CMR. So I am basically a very, very introvert person. So then first day I met her and then we became friends. And gradually we became friends and then we started talking everything. And during exams, I am a person who takes a lot of tension. So because of her, I got to know that every student does take tension. So I was not alone and I was, calmed down because of her. And then during the exams also, she used to come to my home. I used to go to her home and we used to do like a group study kind of thing. And then I used to teach her. She used to clarify some of my doubts. And like this, she supported me academically also and mainly emotionally.
Yeah. So college has like good and bad memories together. That's how it's called a college. So everybody has it. And yeah, so I remember, friends running through the corridors, and then we had very good stuff actually. We used to go to each other places and stuff. And they helped me. They actually helped me emotionally in every phase. So when I needed them the most, they were there for me. And also my parents, and my brother, my parents, my brother, and my friends, all of them, they helped me emotionally and mentally to pass the 2 years of my life. And teachers, of course, they also supported me a lot. So yeah, overall, it was good.
So it's obvious that it was our parents, teachers, and friends who made this college life a beautiful journey. So especially I would mention Lekha ma'am because she was the constant support to us right from first PU until the second PU, who has helped us emotionally, mentally, and have encouraged us to do better than before. So basically, at the beginning, I didn't know that college is providing with career counseling guidance, which is CCG. But then later on, when college started, we had classes every week, CCG classes. So this classes, like, it helped me to figure out my career to carry on in my future. So yeah, this helped me to figure out my ambition or whatever.
Yeah, so basically we participated in the SLP program, Service Learning Program. So we had kept stalls so that we raise funds for Karunashraya, for donating it to Karunashraya. So I had learned how to manage different stalls. So I basically had 2 stalls. So one was a food stall and one was a game stall. And after that, I learned how to manage the 2 stalls, and then how to finance it. So how much profit would you get? All the cost management, everything I learned.
Yeah. Okay. So yeah, the stalls that we put up, we were 5 friends together in total. And then we put up the stall where I had put up my paintings, and there were also bookmarks made by my friends. And we also bought these chain dollars for the chain. So we didn't expect that it would turn out that big amount of a revenue, but yeah, we actually got a good amount of returns. And we also spent some time deviated from our academic stuff, and then we came back to this, so it made our mind kind of get relaxed. That too, it was before the exams kind of time, like maybe some 3-4 months back, I guess. Yeah, so everybody is there busy in their life. There's only stress and stuff. So such kind of things, it actually gives you a motivation and maybe a boost up for your personal life also. Yeah.
Yeah. So we had the college had taken us for a trip, Gavidallu Betta. So there we had gone through bus, and we sat with our friends and we enjoyed the bus, the travel. And then after we had been there, and they made us play many games. And after that, we proceeded for the trek. It was actually adventurous kind of thing because I'm very scared of heights. So, many of my friends, they helped me a lot. And then after we came back, then we refreshed again. We had some ice cream. That was the best part of the trip, actually. And then after that, again, that's what. It's basically the memorable moments with your teachers and your friends. The teachers also were like friends only in that trip, basically.
Yeah. Mine was the most awaited for all the maybe second PU students, which was the graduation day. Actually, we had a lot of plans for the graduation day. We didn't even know the venue till the last minute. And the venue was finally decided at the amphitheater of the CMR PU campus. And we all had to get dressed up in saris, and the guys had to wear suits. And yeah, we had a lot of fun. Maybe we had that dream of the graduation day, the pictures, the certificate of the graduation day with the teachers, and the college leaving moment. It adds to the nostalgic memories which you have in your life. It was good.
So adding to these, college took us for CMR university visit with friends along with teachers too. So there, teachers provided us with information about courses available in the university. Along with, we had an art exhibition, which was a great memorable moment. Along with friends and teachers, we spent a good time there. Yeah.
I had a lot of dreams from my childhood. I wanted to become a teacher, chef, lecturer. I wanted to do agriculture once. I wanted to become a doctor when I was a kid. So I had a lot of dreams, but now I want to be an entrepreneur. And what excites me about that is, and maybe what guided me was my parents, because my parents were into job first and now they're into business. So they have kind of guided me, and I also have an interest of becoming an entrepreneur. I can be on my own terms, and I can help my parents, myself, and all my family members and stuff.
So I would become an IAS officer. This inspiration was from my dad, as this is a social worker. So by becoming an IAS officer, I would bring India to a better position. Be it like helping the farmers by giving the right justice to them and improving the quality life of the people and so on.
So my dream is to become a CA. So this was actually my childhood dream. I've dreamed to become a CA from my 7th standard. So my dad only gave me this option to become a CA. So from my childhood, I was like very interested in maths. I loved maths. So he told me many different things, but I don't know why, but I wanted to become a CA since childhood itself.